In a far-off kingdom, where the moon shone bright every night, Princess Luna prepared for a magical quest. She stood tall, with a brave heart and a sparkly crown on her golden hair. Her loyal friend Sparkle, a tiny fairy with wings as delicate as a butterfly, fluttered beside her. Princess Luna looked up at the dark sky and said, "The moonbeam has been stolen, Sparkle. We must find it before the night grows darker." Sparkle nodded and flew off, saying, "I'll find Rosebloom, the gentle fairy who tends the magical garden. She might know something about the missing moonbeam." Sparkle soon returned with Rosebloom, who had turquoise eyes and pink hair as soft as a feather. Rosebloom smiled kindly and said, "I'm happy to help, Princess Luna. The moonbeam is essential for our magical garden to grow. Let me check with my fairy friends." She flapped her wings and flew off, returning with a wise old owl named Mist, who had gray hair and yellow eyes that twinkled like the stars. "Mist, the wise owl, knows many secrets," Rosebloom said. "He might guide us on our quest." Mist hooted softly and said, "I sense the darkness in the land. The forces of darkness have taken the moonbeam, but I know a path that might lead us to it. Are you ready, Princess Luna?" Princess Luna nodded bravely, and Mist led them through the enchanted forest, pointing out hidden paths and secret ways. As they journeyed deeper, the trees grew taller, and the air grew thick with an eerie mist. Suddenly, a bright light illuminated the path. "Who's there?" Princess Luna asked, her voice steady. A vibrant, orange-haired goblin stepped forward, her emerald green eyes sparkling with magic. "I'm Sunshine, the Light Master," she said. "I collect radiant sparkles to adorn my underground home. But I sense you're on a quest. How can I help?" Sunshine used her light magic to chase the shadows away, revealing a hidden entrance to a mystical cave. "This path will lead you closer to the moonbeam," Mist said. "But be cautious, for the forces of darkness guard it well." Princess Luna nodded, and with Sparkle, Rosebloom, Mist, and Sunshine by her side, they bravely entered the cave. The cave was dark and mysterious, but Sunshine's light magic guided them through the winding tunnels. They encountered sparkling crystals and glittering gemstones, which Sunshine collected for her treasure. As they reached the heart of the cave, a faint glow appeared in the distance. "The moonbeam!" Princess Luna exclaimed. Rosebloom's magical garden skills helped them navigate through a maze of thorns and vines, which protected the moonbeam. At last, they reached a glittering pool of water, where the moonbeam shone bright. But to their surprise, the pool was guarded by a friendly dragon who said, "I've been keeping the moonbeam safe from harm. Well done, brave adventurers." With the dragon's help, Princess Luna and her friends safely retrieved the moonbeam. As they stepped out of the cave, the moon in the sky began to shine bright once more. The kingdom was filled with light, and the magical creatures rejoiced. Princess Luna thanked her friends, and they all promised to meet again on another adventure. And so, Princess Luna returned to her kingdom, with the moonbeam shining bright above her. As she drifted off to sleep, she smiled, knowing that Sparkle, Rosebloom, Mist, Sunshine, and the friendly dragon were her loyal friends, always ready for their next magical quest.